What type of approach does a superstar need in order to win a matchup like this, Corey?
It's important to remember that you can't win a match like this on emotion alone. You have to divide.
A reversal. He saw that coming.
The Beast incarnate looking to end this. Lesnar with an F5.
Bang!
Glazed eyes on Femi now.
2. Wow, just barely making it out.
He's in total disbelief. That did not finish the...
Oh, Brock Lesnar may break the arm. Got it locked in. Kimura locked.
This could be it. We could see a tap out any second now.
Gonna take a lot of fortitude to get out of it.
He had it locked in. I didn't expect him to just let go.
I don't know what he's thinking, but he needs to focus on the task at hand.
And Brock puts a stop to that.
He might be getting up, but it doesn't look like it will be for long.
The Beast cinching it in. Uh-oh, Byron. Lesnar looking to snap